हो सकता है वो चला गया हो। He may have left. He may have left. मैंने दाल रोटी खाया। I ate दाल रोटी। I ate दाल रोटी। क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? मैंने इसे नहीं देखा। I didn't see it. I didn't see it. वो बड़बड़ाता है। He is grumbling. He is grumbling. मैं सोचूंगी। I will think about it. I will think about it. मैं देखूंगी। I will see. I will see. मैं बात करूंगी। I will talk. I will talk. मैं खेलूंगा। I will play. I will play. क्या आप बहुत तवील इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं? Have you been waiting too long? Have you been waiting too long? मैं आपका खैर ख्वाह हूँ। I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher. पहले मुझे देखना पड़ेगा। I will have to see first. I will have to see first. लगे रहो। Carry on. Carry on. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? तुम बहुत चालाक हो। You are very smart. You are very smart. क्या तुम्हें नहीं खरीदना? Don't you want to buy it? Don't you want to buy it? मुझे तो नहीं खरीदना। Do you not want to buy it from me? Do you not want to buy it from me? मुझे तो एक खरीदना ही है। I am going to have to buy one. I am going to have to buy one. मुझे एक खरीदना है। I would like to buy one. I would like to buy one. नहीं पसंद है। I don't like it. I don't like it. क्या तुम्हें भी बिल्लियाँ पसंद है? Do you like cats too? Do you like cats too? नहीं पसंद है। I don't like it. I don't like it. मुझे बिल्लियाँ पसंद है। I like cats. I like cats. वो मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है। He is a very good friend of mine. He is a very good friend of mine. मैं उसकी पैसों से मदद करूंगी। I will help him with money. I will help him with money. क्या अब उसे पैसे चाहिए? Does he want the money now? Does he want the money now? क्या उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे? Did he not have money? Did he not have money? उसको पैसों की कमी थी। He was short of money. He was short of money. उसे पैसों की ज़रूरत है। He needs money. He needs money. उसके पास दाढ़ी है। He has a beard. He has a beard. बिस्तर से बाहर निकालो। Get out of bed. Get out of bed. मैं तुम्हारे अच्छे के लिए बोल रही हूँ। I am saying this for your own good. I am saying this for your own good. इसलिए अभी वक्त है, संभल जाओ। So now is the time to be careful. So now is the time to be careful. मेरी बात को नज़रअंदाज मत करो। Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. बाद में पछताना पड़ेगा। You will have to regret it later. You will have to regret it later. तुम हमेशा खुश रहो. May you always be happy. May you always be happy. अभी वक्त है संभल जाओ. Now is the time to be careful. Now is the time to be careful. तुम्हारी खुशी में हमारी खुशी है. Our happiness lies in your happiness. Our happiness lies in your happiness. तुम खुश तो हम खुश. If you are happy, then we are happy. If you are happy, then we are happy. जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. हमारा क्या है? What about us? What about us? क्या तुम्हें गोली लगी थी? Were you shot? Were you shot? नहीं, उसे गोली लगी है. No, he was shot. No, he was shot. क्या तुम्हें गोली लगी थी? Were you shot? Were you shot? नहीं, मुझे गोली नहीं लगी. No, I won't be shot. No, I won't be shot. क्या तुम्हें गोली लग गई? Did you get shot? Did you get shot? हम शहर में हैं. We are in the city. We are in the city. अहमद मेरा फर्जंद है. Ahmad is my son. Ahmad is my son. मैं कसम खाता हूँ. I swear. I swear. फिर भी. Anyway. Anyway. पीछे हटो. Back off. Back off. रास्ता दो. Give way. Give way. वक्त लगता है. It takes time. It takes time. कोई नई खबर. Any new news. Any new news. मायूसी कुफ्र है. Despair is infidelity. Despair is infidelity. नया क्या है? What's new? What's new? तकब्बुर इंसान को ले डूबता है. Pride drowns pupil. Pride drowns pupil. थोड़ा आराम करो. Take some rest. Take some rest. क्या तुमने समझा? Did you understand? Did you understand? मेरे पास बैठो. Sit next to me. Sit next to me. इसे उठाओ. Pick this up. Pick this up. वक्त पर खाना खाओ. Eat on time. Eat on time. ध्यान से देखो. Look carefully. Look carefully. इसे मत छुपाओ. Don't hide it. Don't hide it. तो क्या हुआ? So what? So what? हाल ही में. Recently. Recently. लेकिन क्यों? But why? But why? सीधे मुद्दे पर आते हैं. Come to the point. Come to the point. ठीक है. All right. All right. जागो. Wake up. Wake up. उठो. Get up. Get up. किसी तरह. Somehow. Somehow. इसलिए. Therefore. Therefore. कुछ हद तक. Somewhat. Somewhat. कभी कभी. Sometimes. Sometimes. वक्त खत्म हुआ. Time's up. Time's up. आमतौर पर. Usually. Usually. कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? फिर से पढ़ो. Read again. Read again. किसे पढ़ी हैं? Who cares? Who cares? बिल्कुल नहीं. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. मत पूछो. Don't ask. Don't ask. अभी तक नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. अब तक. Till now. Till now. मुझे मत पूछो. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. मुझे पूछो. Ask me. Ask me. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. जुबान ऊपर करो. Tongue up. Tongue up. जुबान नीचे करो. Tongue down. Tongue down. हंसो मत. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. मत भूलो. Don't forget. Don't forget. वो अंदर हैं. She is inside. She is inside. वो कहाँ हैं? Where is she? Where is she? इस बार नहीं. Not this time. Not this time. फिक्र मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? क्या तुम्हारा हो गया? Are you done? Are you done? मेरा पेट खराब है. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. मैं समझ गया. I got it. I got it. नजर ना लगे. Touch wood. Touch wood. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. ये सब तुम्हारे लिए हैं. This is all of you. This is all of you. इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. उनसे मत डरो. Don't be afraid of them. Don't be afraid of them. इसे वापस दो. Give it back. Give it back. मुझसे मत डरो. Don't be afraid of me. Don't be afraid of me. क्या तुमने खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? मुझसे वादा करो. Promise me. Promise me. आराम करो. Take a rest. Take a rest. अपना काम खत्म करो. Finish your work. Finish your work. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. उन्हें सच बताओ. Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. उससे मत लड़ो. Don't fight with him. Don't fight with him. उनसे मत लड़ो. Don't fight with them. Don't fight with them. मुझसे मत लड़ो. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. मुझसे लड़ो. Fight with me. Fight with me. उनसे लड़ो. Fight with them. Fight with them. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. वो झूठ बोल रहा है. He is lying. He is lying. इसे फेंको. Throw it away. Throw it away. इसे मत फेंको. Don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. खुद पर भरोसा रखो. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. उसे बंद करो. Close that. Close that. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. इसे छुपाओ. Hide this. Hide this. उसे याद रखना. Remember that. Remember that. मुझे याद रखना. Remember me. Remember me. इसे याद रखना. Remember this. Remember this. चलो बात करते हैं. Let's talk. Let's talk. ये बहुत है. That's too much. That's too much. कुछ वक्त लो. Take some time. Take some time. जल्दी सो जाओ. Go to bed early. Go to bed early. मुझ पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to me. Don't pay attention to me. उस पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to him. Don't pay attention to him. उन पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to them. Pay attention to them. मुझे याद दिलाना. Remind me. Remind me. मुझ पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. उसे याद दिलाना. Remind him. Remind him. ये नामुमकिन है. It's impossible. It's impossible. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. उसे कुछ दिखाओ. Show her something. Show her something. मुझे कुछ दिखाओ. Show me something. Show me something. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quick. Do it quick. कुछ नया सीखो. Learn something new. Learn something new. कुछ नया पहनो. Wear something new. Wear something new. कुछ नया खरीदो. Buy something new. Buy something new. कुछ नया देखो. Look something new. Look something new. कुछ नया बोलो. Talk something new. Talk something new. उसे समझाओ. Explain it to her. Explain it to her. कुछ नया करो. Do something new. Do something new. मुझे समझाओ. Explain it to me. Explain it to me. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. उसके पीछे जाओ. Follow him. Follow him. उनके पीछे जाओ. Follow them. Follow them. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Follow me. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do?